If you're hunting for a luxury escape that truly delivers on the all-inclusive promise, Grand Velas Los Cabos might just be your dream destination. Nestled along the stunning tourist corridor between Cabo San Lucas and San José del Cabo, this five-star resort opened its doors in 2018 and has been collecting Forbes Five Star and AAA Five Diamond awards ever since. What makes this place special is how it manages to cater to everyone, from honeymooners seeking romance to families with energetic kids, all while maintaining that exclusive, pampered feel. The resort spans 7 acres of prime beachfront real estate and houses 308 suites across 3 distinct towers, each with its own personality and purpose. The staff-to-guest ratio sits at an impressive 3:1, which means you'll never be left waiting for service or struggling to get attention. This isn't your typical all-inclusive where you're herded through buffet lines and fighting for pool chairs. Grand Velas operates more like a collection of boutique hotels under one roof, where personalized butler service comes standard and every detail has been considered. The property belongs to the Velas Resorts family, a Mexican company that's been perfecting the luxury hospitality game since 1995, and their experience shows in every corner of this Los Cabos gem. Let's talk about where you'll actually be sleeping, because the accommodations here are genuinely impressive. Every single unit is a suite, not a standard room, which immediately sets the bar higher than most competitors. The resort divides its offerings across 3 towers, each designed with different guests in mind. The Zen Tower caters to adults seeking tranquility and wellness, the Ambassador Tower welcomes families with open arms, and the Grand Class Tower provides the ultimate in exclusive luxury for guests 18 and older. Starting with the Zen Grand King Suite, you're looking at nearly 300 square meters of sophisticated space featuring 1 king bedroom, a separate living and dining area, a walk-in closet, and 2.5 bathrooms that include a jetted tub, rain shower, and even an outdoor shower. The marble floors and clean white aesthetic create a spa-like atmosphere that extends to your private terrace, where you'll find your own plunge pool and jacuzzi overlooking the Pacific Ocean. They've thought of everything here, from yoga mats and aromatherapy diffusers to pillow menus that let you customize your sleep experience. If you want even more space in the Zen category, the Zen Grand Pool Suite expands to a massive 465 square meters with an expansive private infinity pool, outdoor dining palapa, and even a fire pit for those cooler evenings. The Ambassador Tower Suites take a different approach, with the King's Suite offering 144 square meters that balance luxury with family practicality. You'll still get BV Elgari toiletries, plush robes, and that essential Nespresso machine, but the layout works better for families, with interconnecting options available and kids' amenities provided on request. The Ambassador Double Suite features 2 queen beds in the same square footage, making it perfect for families with multiple children or friend groups traveling together. Now, if you're ready to experience the absolute pinnacle of what Grand Velas offers, the Grand Class Tower is where dreams come true. The King's Suite here spans 236 square meters with a wraparound terrace providing panoramic ocean views, a Bang & Olufsen sound system for audiophiles, and champagne waiting when you arrive. The Grand Class Pool Suite takes it even further at 394 square meters, adding a private pool and personal sommelier to your list of amenities. Every suite across all towers includes butler service available around the clock, premium Wi-Fi that actually works, smart televisions, and minibars that get restocked daily with premium brands. The attention to detail extends to things you might not even notice at first, like the quality of the linens, the water pressure in those rain showers, and the fact that your butler will remember your coffee preference after just one morning. When it comes to dining, Grand Velas Los Cabos absolutely crushes the competition with 7 distinct restaurants and 4 bars, all included in your rate. This isn't your typical all-inclusive buffet situation where everything tastes vaguely similar. Each restaurant has its own executive chef, unique concept, and carefully curated menu that would hold its own in any major city. Cocina de Autor represents the crown jewel of the dining program, offering molecular Mexican fusion that pushes culinary boundaries while respecting traditional flavors. The tasting menu here does carry a $150 supplement, but watching the chefs deconstruct tacos into foams and artistic presentations while incorporating ingredients like lobster and caviar makes it worth every penny. The dress code requires elegant attire, no shorts allowed, and reservations are absolutely essential, sometimes needing to be made 1 to 3 months in advance during peak season. Frida brings authentic Mexican cuisine to life with vibrant murals adorning the walls and the intoxicating aroma of fresh handmade tortillas filling the air. Their mole poblano follows a recipe passed down through generations, and the ceviche gets prepared with fish caught that morning. They host tequila tastings every Friday evening where you can learn about Mexico's national spirit from experts who know their stuff. Leah transports you to coastal Italy without leaving Mexico, serving handmade pasta that gets rolled fresh daily, seafood risotto that showcases local catches, and tiramisu that might ruin you for all other desserts. The wood-fired oven cranks out pizzas with perfectly charred crusts, and the alfresco seating lets you dine with ocean breezes and sunset views. Azul takes a more casual approach as the beachfront seafood specialist, where you can literally dine with your toes in the sand while working through a menu featuring sushi, grilled octopus, and colorful poke bowls. They keep the atmosphere relaxed here, perfect for lunch after a morning at the beach, and the sunset happy hour draws crowds for good reason. Bistro channels classic French technique and ambience, complete with Eiffel Tower-inspired decor and pastry displays that look too beautiful to eat. Their Sunday brunch has become legendary among repeat guests, featuring everything from escargot to crepes alongside champagne that flows freely. Beyond the main restaurants, the 24-hour room service deserves special mention because it's not just a limited late-night menu. You can order full a la carte meals at 3 in the morning if the mood strikes, delivered by your butler with the same attention to presentation as the restaurants provide. The bars scattered throughout the property serve over 300 labels of tequila and mezcal, with mixologists who take their craft seriously. The Infinity Bar, where you can swim up for cocktails while watching the sun melt into the Pacific, has become an Instagram favorite, and live music fills the air most evenings. One important note, while everything is included, those premier restaurants require reservations that you should book through the concierge app or your butler as soon as you know your dates, especially if you're visiting during high season between December and April. The pool situation at Grand Velas deserves its own spotlight because they've created 5 distinct aquatic environments rather than just throwing in a couple of generic pools. The 2 adults-only infinity pools are engineering marvels, with the main one spanning 1,000 square meters and featuring depths ranging from 1.2 to 1.5 meters. These aren't just for show, they're heated year-round and maintained at perfect temperatures whether you're visiting in January or July. The infinity edges create that seamless visual merge with the ocean beyond, and swim-up bars mean you never have to leave the water to refresh your margarita. The family infinity pool measures 800 square meters and maintains a slightly shallower depth profile of 1 to 1.4 meters, making it more comfortable for kids while still providing that luxury resort aesthetic parents appreciate. 2 dedicated kids pools feature shallow areas perfect for toddlers and water slides that keep older children entertained for hours. All pools operate from 7 in the morning until 11 at night, with attentive staff providing towel service, taking drink and food orders, and generally making sure you want for nothing. If you prefer more privacy, cabanas are available for rental ranging from $50 to $200 per day depending on size and location, coming equipped with upgraded amenities and dedicated server attention. The beach itself stretches 300 meters along pristine sand that gets raked smooth every morning before guests emerge. The waters here tend to be calmer than some other Cabo beaches, making swimming and snorkeling actually feasible rather than just theoretical activities. Beach butlers roam constantly, offering to bring you drinks, food, fresh towels, or anything else that might enhance your experience. Palapas dot the shoreline providing shade, and the resort reserves these for guests rather than operating on a first-come basis that creates dawn chair races. Water sports equipment sits ready for complimentary use, including kayaks, paddleboards, and Hobie cats for those who know how to sail them. If you want something more adventurous, paid options include jet ski rentals and fishing excursions starting around $150. One thing to mention honestly is that Cabo can get windy, especially during certain seasons, and this beach isn't immune to that natural phenomenon. Some guests mention the wind in reviews, though the resort can't control weather patterns. The beach erosion that occurred after some recent hurricanes has been addressed, but it's worth knowing that Cabo beaches in general experience more wave action and wind than, say, the Caribbean side of Mexico. That said, the water sports opportunities and the sheer beauty of watching waves crash against distant rock formations more than compensate for a little breeze. Activities at Grand Velas extend far beyond just lounging by pools, though there's absolutely nothing wrong with that approach to vacation. The fitness center features top-of-the-line Technogym equipment including cardio machines with personal entertainment screens, free weights, resistance machines, spin bikes, and even Peloton bikes for those who can't miss their favorite instructors. An outdoor yoga pavilion takes advantage of the perfect weather and ocean views, hosting daily classes in various styles from gentle stretching to more vigorous vinyasa flows. Pilates and aquafitness classes round out the group fitness schedule, all included in your stay. If you want more personalized attention, personal trainers are available for $100 per hour and can design custom programs whether you're training for something specific or just want guidance on proper form. The fitness center opens at 6 in the morning for early risers and stays accessible until 9 at night for those who prefer evening workouts. Beyond structured fitness, the resort organizes various activities throughout the week that let you explore the local area and culture. Tequila tastings happen regularly, teaching you the difference between Blanco, Reposado, and Añejo while sampling premium brands you might not discover on your own. The kids club, called Kinder Club, operates from 9 in the morning until 9 at night for children ages 4 to 12, giving parents substantial freedom to enjoy adult activities or simply relax without little ones underfoot. The club features arts and crafts stations, a pirate ship-themed pool area, and even mini-golf designed at kid-friendly scale. Teenagers get their own dedicated space with video games, beach volleyball courts, and activities designed to appeal to that tricky age group that's too old for kids' club but not quite ready for adult entertainment. The resort's commitment to sustainability shows in activities like coral reef protection programs where guests can learn about marine conservation efforts, and farm-to-table tours that explain where your dinner actually comes from. Seasonal events add extra flavor depending on when you visit, with the New Year's Eve Gala being particularly spectacular and Dia de Muertos celebrations in November offering authentic cultural experiences rather than tourist-focused performances. Live entertainment happens nightly in the lobby area, with mariachi bands, acoustic performers, and various musicians creating ambience without overwhelming conversation. Pool DJs keep energy high during daytime hours, reading the crowd and adjusting music accordingly. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.